Welcome to the very originally named Saith Kinnoo Factory. Saith Brothers Kinnoo Factory.
Mama, why the heck are you wearing a hoodie?
I'm not funny today.
Why?
Baby, here, hold up. Get this, Adidas, Nike, send that to Gay and Hamza Razak actually.
There's a kitchen for all the workers. The trolley. Ow! This is a finished product after they've been polished. So local farms, they take their kinnoo off the trees, send them here to get cleaned and polished and packed. Into the factory we go. Whoa! Can you tell me? Oh, look, orange. Come let's see orange. Idhar my. Idhar bhi hai. Orange. Okay, come this way. See this. देख लिया उन्होंने. So this is the starting point. This is starting point. All of these are filled with kinnoo off the trees. Look, yeah, orange kinnoo. As you can see, dirty. Wow. And they get fed in here. They fed in here. This one here makes sure that all the pictures and stuff. This one is initial quality control. खराब सिटी जाने हैं ये फिर कितने जाते हैं ये कारखाने नहीं ये कारखाने से छोड़ देते हैं अच्छा बाहर से हाँ कितना वेस्टेज होता उफ अच्छा so these are all the wasted kinnoo out here. So quite a lot of kinnoo that is unused. So the Gharib farmers from close by, they can take them as and when they need to feed their animals. It's going on, they can feed their animals and use them for whatever else they need. But yeah, not a pretty sight, the wastage element. But what can you do? That's nature for you. What? Hey, Kinnoo Factory, he loves this because there's all the so many balls. Just watch this. Wow! Quality control. I mean, I don't know how you can tell what's good and what's bad. Some of them are just dusty, but so you can't really see if they're. So they get fed up this conveyor belt and they start getting washed here. So they'll get washed and crushed and polished. It stinks in here. Through these machines, I don't know what those machines do. How machine are you getting polished? ਧੋਂਦੇ ਆ
wash ਇੱਥੋਂ polish ਇੱਥੇ steam ਹੋਣਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ dry ਹੋਣਾ ਇਹਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ polish
Okay, so they get steamed in that one to dry them up and then they get polished in that one and they're fed in here after they've been cleaned. After they've been cleaned and washed, polished, they get fed into these areas here where all these guys are packing away in the pitties. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. क्या हाल है ठीक हो? Assalamu alaikum. पेटियां बनी है, पेटियां बनी है। शुरू पेटी। हाँ आह पेटियां बनियां। बंदे लगे हुए हैं। पेटी बनाते। इतने में पेंट करते हैं KGS। KCS। तेरी बोतल। KCS। और मैं अपना सामान।
Working hard.
Look. These are the छोटी किन्नू. And this is unfortunately the living quarters, which as you can see are not the best in the world. This one wants to be picked up and put into the kinnoos. छोटे किन्नू. Sit. ये क्या करते हैं?
50-60 रुपए की पेटी।
अच्छा। तू किन्नू दे जान
प्रोसेस हो गए सारे साइज डिफरेंट साइज के आ जाएंगे।
इस साइज के हिसाब से होंगे या फिर
फर्स्ट वाला सारा बड़ा साइज है।
अच्छा
50 दाने एक पेटी में पैने।
अच्छा
तो बाद थोड़ा छोटा साइज वो 80 दाने एक पेटी पैने।
वो बंदी बैठी है वो निंदे या की
नहीं उन्होंने पता ऐसे स्टेज दे उनको बंदा बैठा।
अच्छा
उन्होंने भी वो उसे पैक करी जानी और उसपे नंबर लियो रेडी करके नो और
क्या KCS की
किसान कमीशन यानी कि अपनी ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੰਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਲੋਧਰਾ ਵਾਲੀ।
ਅੱਛਾ ਉੱਥੇ
ਉਸ ਨਾਮ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਸ਼ਾਪ ਲੋਧਰਾ ਭਾਵਲਪੁਰ ਪੀਰਮਲ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੇਮ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ।
What are you doing? Eh? What are you doing? कोयटा पेशावर बहुत दूर फिर भेजते हैं।
ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਆਉਣੀਆਂ ਫਿਰ ਬੜੇ ਟਰੱਕ
ओ नहीं भेजते इतनी जल्दी नहीं भेजते।
He thinks it's a ball pit, don't you? He thinks he's at a play. Ibrahim!
So what you're saying is come off the conveyor belt and they get weighed quickly. Working hard. This is the end of the So what you're saying is they come off the conveyor belt and they get weighed quickly, or the size, and then they're sized up to the very big ones at the end. The very small ones are here, and they get sold in peties of different amounts. So these are the cheapest, obviously, and those are the most expensive on that far side. और मशीन यानी आपकी सब्जी कर दी है साइज।
हाँ उन्हें मशीन आपकी से और लाइना बढ़िया है साइज सारा कुछ निकल जाएगा।
वो मशीन की तरह दी होनी फिर वजन दे नाल या वैसे ही
साइज होने ना
आ जाओ ऊपर चढ़ के
साइज बड़े होने ना बच्चे बड़े छोटे
चढ़ी मैं मारे दे सकते। So yeah, the good and the bad of these type of places in Pakistan. You can see lots of workers working hard. But this is the end of the season apparently, so this is only a small fraction of what they would normally do on a daily basis. Are you counting them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Ibrahim,
Catch. Ibrahim, catch the
ਓਏ
ball.
ਓਏ ਹਾਏ
Ibrahim, catch the ball.
ਦੇਣਾ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੰਗਾ ਨਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਪਰੇ ਕਰਤਾ
Give me the filter.
Were you just watching while I go see something? Yeah. Wrist is just showing.
थोड़ा निकला रेड चिकन लग गया
आ जाओ करो
Let's get a closer look of the system here.
सारा प्रोसेस वो पीछे आने कटी है चेंज होते हैं
These are all conveyor belts of different size. The biggest ones at the end. Quite a smart system. As you can see, they get smaller and smaller in size. Automatically, somehow there's a ticker. Well, so I think that's what happens there. हाँ जी वो लेवल जो वो किन्नू ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਨਾ हाँ जी वो लगते लग के स्लाइड हो गया सही है सही है सही है हाँ जी तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 किस्म दे हाँ 7 types 7 sizes of किन्नू You can see those all. So you can see those little levers there. They're all fractionally lower than the last one. Each time the Kinnoo hits it, it automatically drops it down to the next layer onto these small conveyor belts. Yeah, it works. Those things are slightly lower than each size, and when it hits the Kinnoo drops to the relevant conveyor belt.
लेबर बहुत दूर तो आई मुजफ्फरगढ़
अच्छा वाह
ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ
अच्छा इतनी रहती है
50 ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ
अच्छा 50 बंदे
ਸਿਰਫ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ
50 people depending on season किन्ने कुछ देर रहंदे फिर
3 ਮਹੀਨੇ
3 महीने
4 महीने
मुजफ्फरपुर कितनी दूर है तो
ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਮੁਜ਼ੱਫਰਗੜ੍ਹ ਦਾ
ये तो हैगा 200 किलोमीटर
200 किलोमीटर
so the workforce is from Muzaffarkot from about 200 kilometers away. Well, quite an operation going. Unfortunately not the best of conditions for the workers, but what can you do? That's Pakistan for you. MashaAllah, very good, very good.